Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a basic question from algebra on the ACT math test. Here's an example. When y equals 4, what is the value of the expression 3 plus 16 divided by 12 minus 2 times y? Well, first we have to substitute y with 4 in our expression to get 2 times 4, which equals 8. In the next step, we will evaluate 12 minus 8 to get 4. Then we can divide 16 by 4 to get 4. And finally, we will evaluate 3 plus 4 to get 7. That's it. And the answer is C. Great. With practice, you can solve such problems easily in less than 1 minute. By learning to solve these problems fast, you can save time for more difficult problems in the test. In the upcoming video, I'm going to solve other problems from the ACT math test. In particular, you can see their next video I have put in the link below, where I have solved a more complicated version of this problem. If you have questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.